Yes. So my voice is audible. If I'm not wrong. Where's my pen? So hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Life Show. Right. On a very short notice, I've started. So let me first cross check if my voice is audible or not, and then accordingly we can start. Right. Where is VIH group? We are live, right? My voice is audible. Let me first cross check. Yeah. So hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Lives of VIH group. Today we have couple of job openings. If you have any questions, please drop into the chat box. Right. And yes, कुछ भी questions हो बताओ है ना, so that I can answer whatever you want. Right. So let me quickly start. So today is 25/6/2025. Right. Hey, which is June is probably going to end. Next one, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job openings I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end, because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? So if you have anything, please drop. Now let's start. So this is the first job opening that we have, which is for this SOC analyst. As told you, there's a lot of opening for the SOC analyst, but people are not taking it seriously. So these are skills which is required, right? QRadar, MS Sentinel, IBM Guardian, and DDR are the tools. Minimum 1 month of joining frame is required, right? And this is mail ID nisantini.sudha@nersystems.com, right, on which you can drop your resume. If you get selected, you'll get a mail probably very soon. Next one is network intern, cybersecurity intern. This is the contact number on which you can call. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. ठीक है, अगर resume का reply नहीं आए, so you'll be having a plus point. You can call them and ask sir क्यों नहीं update आया, so that it will be plus point for you. ठीक है. Anyways, next one is purple team opportunity. Purple team is basically there is a red team, offensive one, blue team is defensive one, and उसके बीच का जो होता है is called purple team, right? So they want a technical lead, incident response and hunting analyst in company healthcare, 100% remote job, and 200 to 240 base they can provide you. 10 plus years of experience in cybersecurity is required, and this is the mail ID rose.gisondi@hamptonnorth.com is the mail on which you can drop it. Right? And this is 100% remote, because there's a lot of people who are telling me, sir, I want a remote job. So you can get it from here, right? Now, next one is cybersecurity analyst. Okay, this is 24/7 SOC job. Just scan this QR if you want to apply. Okay, they want all these things. These are the minimum required. Okay, passionate or information security, SMK graduate. Next one is someone is hiring for application security engineer. Mail ID is snbanerjee@bmc.com, and it's a Pune, Bangalore based job, so you can apply from here. Now, entity data is looking for a skilled professional who can join as a security operations center in Mumbai, right? SOC L1, SOC L2 is the position which you can drop. Splunk is mandatory. Okay, and strong knowledge in incident threat analyst, right? If you want to apply, just drop in the subject line you want to apply for SOC L1 L2. Pritam.sahara@global.entity is the mail on which you can drop your resume. And this is a mail ID, right, on which you can drop. Sorry, I just messed up. So this is a mail ID on which you can drop, right? So that's all, right? And if you have any questions, please ask. I'm happy to answer your questions. Right. So thank you very much for watching this live. So have a great day and ask your questions if you have any.